Hi guys, I'm Via from Hook Agency, and today I am going to show you how to set up a Google Analytics account and install a tracking code onto your website. So the very first thing that you're going to do is sign up for your account, which is super simple. You're going to Google the word analytics, and you are going to click on the first thing that pops up, analytics.google.com. And then here you're just going to set up following the steps that it prompts you to and create an account name. So this can just be your first and last name and the name of the website that you're going to be adding this to and the URL. Make sure that you have the correct HTTP or HTTPS selected, and then create the industry or choose one of the industries that they have available. I'm just going to choose other for this one, and the time zone that you're in. So we're in the Midwest, and so I'm going to choose Chicago time. Get tracking ID. You're going to have to accept their terms, and then they will bring you to a page right here. So this is a tracking ID. You'll use this if you're adding it to a plugin that you've used either on WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace. But if you're gonna do it the way of putting it into the actual theme of the website, you're gonna copy this whole thing right here. So copy that, go to your website under Appearance Theme Editor. So I'm actually gonna do that. Theme Editor right here on the left-hand side. You're gonna go to the right-hand side, Theme Header. Then you are going to put that anywhere in between the two head tags. So right here's the head and here. So make sure that it's in between there. Paste that in and then hit Update File. That will have been updated successfully. You can always go and check it on the front end, make sure that nothing looks any different. Alright, so once you've done that, you are all set and ready to go. And stay tuned for our next few videos. Our next one is going to be about tracking conversions, and we have some more Google Analytics basics ready for you. Thanks.